Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Temu password. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, go ahead and open up your Temu app on your phone. This works for both iOS and Android users. And then make sure you're on the home tab of this screen. And then from here, click on You. And then click on Sign In / Register. And then from here, under where it says Continue, it says trouble signing in. You want to tap on that and then tap on reset your password. And now what you need to do is add in that email address that's associated with your Temu account that you want to recover your password for. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my email address. Alright, that email address has been added, and now click on submit. And then they'll give you a 6-digit password reset code sent to that email address. So give it a few moments and then check your email address, which I'll do now. Alright, I'm opening up the email from Temu. Alright, that's a 6-digit code, so go ahead and add that code into the reset part of Temu. Alright, then once you've done that, add in a new password and make sure it's one that you can easily remember. And that's it guys, how to reset your Temu password. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.